Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will see 5 cool travel accessories for traveling comfortably. Let's take a closer look at each of these 5 cool travel accessories. This is VicTsing Sound Hot C6 portable Bluetooth speaker. C6 portable Bluetooth speaker can totally resist water spray and splash. The water vapor in bathroom will never interfere with the sound quality of the speaker. Feel free to be a bathroom rocker. It adopts A2DP tech, and built with a 5-watt speaker, C6 Bluetooth waterproof speaker can stream incredible hi-fi sound with deep bass, and crisp treble with up to 6 hours playtime. Equipped with detachable suction, and aluminum alloy metal hook, it is easy to attach in bathroom tiles, and mirrors with suction cup, and you can also use the metal hook to hang the portable speaker on the backpack. This portable Bluetooth speaker dispel your loneliness, make your journey joyful, and let your favorite tunes accompany you all the way. Also, you can clip this Bluetooth speaker onto the outside of your backpack. Its lightweight and robust design means you can easily travel with, great for camping, hiking, picnics, climbing, and enjoy your favorite music on the go. The waterproof speaker connects with all Bluetooth devices such as phone, computers, and even Echo series. The Bluetooth 4.2 does the instant pairing for C6 waterproof speaker, and maintains a strong connection up to 33 feet. Also, the built-in microphone provides crystal clear hands-free call in any occasions when your hands are preoccupied. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is a POWERADD travel adapter kit. Designed for travelers and businessmen with 2 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, and an micro USB cable to extend 1 outlets to 5 practically. Perfect 5 adapters for use in most countries in the world. Its compact size, and weighs only 7 ounce, and also comes with a free travel pouch for storage and package. It comes with universal input 100 to 240 volts, it could be widely used in the world, ideal for international travel. This plug is compatible with outlets in North America, United Kingdom, Europe, Australia, Japan, Africa, Mideast, Asia, China, and more. It is a perfect adapter for those who travel abroad a lot. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Level 8 Luggage Hardside Suitcase. It has a large packing capacity with solid, strong zippers, and securely mounted telescoping short handle for comfortable maneuvering. The fully lined interior offers 2 packing compartments with tie-down straps on one side and a zipper divider on the other side. Its front pocket suitable for an up to 15.6 inches laptop, and 2 Velcro pockets and 1 zipper pocket for computer accessories, toiletries, or any last-minute items such as tickets, passport, or books. The laptop carry-on is made from PC+ABS material which maintains a good balance between lightweight and firmness. Modern design with the scratch-resistant finish and external, fully integrated handle system, soft touch top, and side carry handles provide maximum comfort. The recessed TSA-accepted combination lock provides secure travel, and allows only TSA agents to open and inspect your bag without damaging. This 20 inches spinner luggage maximizes your packing power, and meets most carry-on size restrictions for those traveling domestically, and looking to stay light. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Travelrest Ultimate Travel Pillow and Neck Pillow. With its patented ergonomic shape, the Travelrest inflatable travel pillow attaches to the wings of an airline seat, the headrest of a car, or can be worn messenger bag style, nestling against the head and neck to provide support and comfort in flight or on the road. It provides full lateral support for the upper body, making it easier to relax, fall asleep, and stay asleep longer. Promotes proper head and neck alignment and keeps head from falling forward. You can easily loop over headrests in cars and airline seat wings. It is a soft and washable plush velour cover with memory foam only where you rest your head. All the comfort of memory foam without the bulk of a 100% memory foam pillow, and adds a new dimension of comfort to the Travelrest travel pillow. Easily rolls up with a pillow, and attaches to the outside of luggage for easy access. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Zero Grid Neck Wallet. Perfect to conceals cash, credit cards, and other valuables from pickpockets. Its built-in RFID blocking safeguards your passport, credit cards, and personal information against identity theft. It includes 7 RFID blocking sleeves for your ultimate peace of mind. This hidden travel wallet gives you complete peace of mind for your upcoming trip. Each zero-grid travel wallet includes 2 recovery tags from ReturnMe, the world's largest lost and found company. Stick these on your phone, laptop, camera, passport, and more. Also, their 24/7 call center will help return lost items from anywhere in the world. It is invaluable for crowded marketplaces, airports, buses, trains, sporting events, and music festivals. Passport holder is virtually invisible to thieves, feel secure in any environment. Constructed from ultra-lightweight, water-resistant 210D ripstop nylon. Breathable, moisture-wicking back eliminates uncomfortable moisture and heat. You can wear beneath clothing, around the neck, or securely fastened to belt. Its 3 zippered compartments safely stores cash, passports, boarding passes, credit cards, keys, and smartphones. Travel with comfort and peace of mind with zero-grid neck wallet. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.